Welcome everyone to this section on convolutional neural networks. So, convolutional neural networks are a specific architecture of neural networks that are extremely effective at dealing with image data. In this lecture, I just want to quickly review what we're going to be learning about in this section of the course. We're going to start off by trying to understand the theory behind convolutional neural networks and what makes them different than artificial neural networks. We'll talk about image kernels and filters, convolutions, as well as pooling layers. Once we understand the theory behind convolutional neural networks, we'll go ahead and tackle two really famous datasets, the MNIST dataset, learning how to apply convolutional neural networks to grayscale images, and then we'll move on to color images, such as the SAFAR 10 dataset, essentially expanding it out to three color channels, red, green, and blue. Once we understand how to work with those basic datasets, we'll expand to working with real image files, something you'll encounter in the real world, how to deal with JPEG files or PNG files, etc. So, we'll also be using convolutional neural networks for analyzing things like images of malaria blood cell classification. So we'll have various images, some blood cells will be infected with malaria, others will not, and we'll build a convolutional network that will actually be able to detect, just based off an image, whether or not a blood cell has an infection. After that, we'll go ahead and test your new skills with a convolutional neural network exercise on a fashion image dataset. Okay, let's get started by learning about the theory. I'll see you there.